What's up, y'all? It's late. I gotta do my hair and trim my ends, so I'm about to do something real quick. Not gonna do too much talking in this video, and this is not a tutorial, y'all, but if you like what you see, feel free to try to style. And add me on social media. I don't know if y'all have lemonade, but if not, y'all need to get it, ladies. I love lemonade, y'all. Add me on lemonades. I feel like I need to explain what y'all are watching right now, so I gotta tell y'all. I lied. It might be a little talking. I'm not cutting my ends for a certain look. My hair is cut like in a like a Farrah Fawcett type haircut. I really just want them raggedy ends off, and you can feel it when you comb your hair, when you blow your hair out and stuff. And my hair will grow back better if I just keep the dead ends off while I'm wearing my braids. It just makes it better. If you know, you know. But yeah, so that's not for a certain look, because I'm gonna be keeping my hair in braids for the whole summer. My cousin got me this braid rack, and I said I wasn't gonna use it till I did her hair. Sorry, I lied. Sorry, I lied sometimes, because I'm finna use it now because it's coming in handy, and boy did it come in handy. Now it's tedious sitting there getting all the hair, you know, the certain sizes and stuff one by one, but it's worth it. I flew through my hair. Y'all gonna see. That's why this video ain't like 2 minutes and 57 seconds. That's insane. And also because I use time-lapse on my phone, which I probably shouldn't did that, but hey, I'm learning, okay? I'm still new to this. I'm not using time-lapse no more, okay? But you can see in the video, I'm fussing at my baby and I'm braiding. I'm going stupid quick. Now, one thing I do gotta get together is my parting. It's been a minute since I braided my hair. Like, I'm not used to braiding my hair. I just started back doing it. So, yeah. I'm gonna buy me like a back mirror, a mirror for me to see the back of my head. I think that'll help me. So off camera, I rolled them up, but I got 2 little buns, and I had 2 little bangs on this style, but I cut them off because they was annoying. I was gonna use some hot water, the way you finna see me rolling it up and stuff, but that hair met up too fast, and it was gonna get on my nerve. But that's it, y'all. Hair is done. Done took my Vital Authority for the night, and thanks for watching. See you next time.